He's got crates of vinyl, grooves that glide from the second life grid to the funky side. Friday night, 6 to 8, it's the sacred hour. The ReMiXX Rewind bows to DJ Prowler. He spins the soul, the funk, the R&B, bassline magic, set your spirit free. No autoplay, no lazy fade, just pure devotion in every serenade. All aboard the night train, feel that heat. DJ Prowler's cooking up a retro beat. From Marvin to Shaka, the legends roll. He's the conductor of your rhythm and soul. Pixel crowd swaying, avatars in sync. He drops that groove, no time to blink. Curtis Mayfield, Aretha's flame. He's not just a DJ, he's a household name. Yeah, no gimmicks, no fluff, just the real deal. He's got that vinyl touch, that analog feel. Every Friday, it's a sonic parade. The night train rolls and history's replayed. All aboard the night train, don't be late. DJ Prowler spinning soul at a sacred rate. The ReMiXX Rewind.